Hello students, this is fetal skull. Fetal skull is divided into three parts: face, base and vault. Okay, face is made up of 14 small delicate bones and vault is made up of two frontal bone, two parietal bone and one occiput bone. Okay. Here immovable joints are there is known as sutures. Okay, so here between two frontal bone the suture is known as frontal suture. Frontal bone and parietal bone between this suture is known as coronal suture, and between two parietal bone the suture is known as sagittal suture. And here parietal bone and temporal bone between this suture is known as squamous suture. Okay, and between two parietal bone and occipital bone between this suture is known as lambdoid suture. Okay, here where two three sutures are connected with each other, that is membranous unossified membrane is there. This is known as fontanelle. Okay, here is the anterior fontanelle, it is known as bregma, and here is posterior fontanelle, it is known as lambda. Okay, this bregma is closed at 1.5 years and this lambda is closed at 1.5 months. This bregma is in a diamond shape and this is lambda, it is in triangular shape. Okay. Now discuss about the landmarks of the fetal skull. Okay. Here the landmark. Here is the submentum. Here is chin. Chin is also known as mentum. Here submentum. Okay. This is sinciput. Okay. Glabella. Here is glabella. Here sinciput. This is bregma. This is vortex. Okay, and this is occiput, and here is subocciput. Okay, these all are the landmarks of the fetal skull. Now discuss about the diameter of the fetal skull. There is total 8 diameters. Okay, in 2 diameters is transverse diameter. In transverse diameter between two temporal bones, the diameter is known as bitemporal diameter and it is 8.5 centimeter. Okay, here biparietal diameter. Okay, between two parietal aminas is known as biparietal diameter and it is 9.5 centimeter. Okay, this 2 is transverse diameter and other 6 is longitudinal diameter or anterior posterior diameter. Okay, in anterior posterior diameter 6 is from occiput, 3 is from occiput and 3 is from mentum. Okay, from occiput, okay, this is subocciputo bregmatic diameter. Okay, subocciput to the bregma, subocciputal bregmatic diameter, it is 9.5 centimeter. Okay, then subocciputal frontal diameter, subocciput to the frontal diameter, it is 10 centimeter. Okay, then occiput to the frontal diameter, it is occipital frontal diameter, it is 11.5 centimeter. Okay, so these 3 are from the occiput. Okay, and other, this is mentum and this is submentum. Submentum bregmatic. Okay, submentum to the bregma, submentum bregmatic diameter, it is 9.5 centimeter. Okay, then this is other submentum vertex. Okay, submentum vertex diameter, it is 11.5 centimeter, and here mentovertical diameter. Okay, mentovertical diameter is the highest diameter of the fetal skull and it is 13.5 centimeters. Okay, so these all are about the fetal skull. I hope you all are understand. Thank you.